mobile. My
Yes, sir.
mobile is that it dead, completely dead. That's why I'm not able to control the app. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will purchase no new one, sir?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I have just ordered on online, and it will reach tomorrow.
Sir, has your mother allowed you?
Yes.
She
He has
gave
a
me
very good
20,000 only.
memory.
She gave me only 20,000 because I sought I just gave her every detail that I'm not able to conduct the classes and all.
Okay. Then party, sir.
Party for what?
For purchasing new mobile, sir.
Great. My money is being spent and I should give party.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, you are going to enjoy your new mobile.
No sir, it is very, what should I say, sasta wala mobile.
Yes, sir. I know 20,000 is
20,000
very
mobile is not
sasta.
sasta wala, sir.
20,000 is not manga wala mobile. Manga wala mobile is at least 50-70,000 rupees.
Sir, but 20,000 is also not sasta wala, sir. Ask green one, sir, like me.
हेलो अभिषेक, टेलीग्राम पे हाई भेजिए, हम लिंक दे रहे हैं आपको, ठीक है?
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग राजेश सर, हाउ आर यू सर?
Fine, sir. But I would like to add here, sir. It's better to change mobile yearly, on yearly basis, sir.
How
Yes,
sir?
sir.
How
Sir,
sir and why?
sir,
Why
because
sir?
Technology has,
mobile
because
tomorrow.
technology has been changed in every moment.
Technology is changing very fast.
Yes, sir.
Technology is
Technology
changing
changing.
very fast.
Very fast. Yes, sir.
So
So,
so we
Rajesh
should.
ji, you are going to give
But except one thing
new?
we cannot change, sir.
What is that, sir?
Good evening,
Please,
sir.
please
Good
guess,
evening,
sir.
Mani. Yeah, I can guess, but I don't dare to say.
It never be
I
actually.
want. I want
It
to
is
know.
never wise and safe also to say that
Okay.
thing, sir.
Okay.
Because the video is being recorded and anybody can watch anytime. My God, Rajesh sir is also too dangerous sometimes.
No, sir. I am very frustrated man, sir.
You can't be, because you're no more a banker, sir.
Yes, sir. Basically I am a banker, sir. Basically I am a banker.
How?
No doubt.
Still,
Still I am a banker. Yes, sir.
are you lending
I can
money?
say.
Are you lending money on interest?
No, sir. I can't lending money because I don't have too much money, sir. But I am investing. But I am investing in money.
You are investing money.
I am investing money.
Okay.
वह रातों रात जहाँ दुगना हो जाए पैसा.
My God. You want your money to be double overnight? You want your money to be double overnight?
What a greedy.
Why not, sir? There is a lot
What a
of
greedy person, sir.
opportunities in the market, sir. There is a lot of opportunities.
Like, sir? Like, sir?
So many areas, sir. So many areas.
You have made me feel greedy, sir.
You never be a greedy. You never be a greedy, sir. I know it very well.
But I am feeling greedy at the moment to invest in such a place where I could get my money double overnight only.
So, greed is not a good thing, sir. You will lose that you have.
I don't have. My mother has.
What you have, it will go through.
I think Rajesh ji is talking about snatching.
Talking about?
Snapping.
Snatching, sir. If we snatch
Snatching.
someone.
No,
No.
If
Rajesh sir is a
someone-
gentleman,
I am
man.
very honest. I am very
Yes.
honest.
He is a gentleman. He can never even think of that.
And also I
Sir,
give.
I'm just pulling his leg.
Yes, you're pulling his leg.
Because by snatching we can double our money, na sir?
Hmm.
By overnight.
By overnight, no, only overnight. Overnight means रातों रात.
Overnight, yes.
Overnight means
कभी-कभी
रात के दौरान, during
बट
night.
सर कभी कभी भी चला भी जाता है सर.
Okay.
No, most of the time it will go, sir. It will be on your risk.
This time the tone of Rajesh sir's voice reflected his pang that he has lost some. P-A-N-G, pang means tease, dard.
Pang.
Yeah, P-N-G, pang. Pang means tease or dard.
Sir, what's going on? Sir, I don't understand.
What is going on?
So you came late.
Can you ask
came
me in
late,
Hindi?
darling.
Can you ask me in Hindi? मान्या?
सर क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
फॉग चल रहा है.
It's very old, sir.
एंड मेरे रूम में पंखा भी चल रहा है. Okay, so it was fun. We were not talking about anything. It was just a random talk, Manya. It was just a random conversation. What are we supposed to do today? What are we supposed to do, gentlemen?
I think from
You ask from gentlemen and I will not reply. So.
yes,
Amazing.
now we have to give a reply on the question of share. So we can move on.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Question
What
number
are we supposed to do, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah, that's right question, sir.
Okay. So, will anybody please tell me?
Yes, sir. Part 1C, question number 8.
Lesson 3, na sir?
Yes. Lesson 1C.
1C, yes.
Yes, sir.
Question number 8. Question number 8 and C is to be done. Let me share the screen first to all of you. I hope all of you can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So far as sentence stress is concerned, I have already given you one class about that, right? And
Right, sir.
remaining thing is to be done by you people by at the time of listening to the audio. You'll have to just notice the stress
Yes, sir.
and try and follow that while speaking, right?
You're right.
Anytime I will just teach you when to keep some letters of some words silent while speaking. I want to
Okay,
do
sir.
that. When I say I want to do that, it means I want to do that. But here two is and T of want and T of two both are silent. When to do these things, it will be done. It will be
Okay, sir.
explained later on. I think we should move to the question number 9. Prakash sir, Rajesh sir,
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manya and everybody. Work in pairs. Make your own free time survey. Write at least 6 questions. Okay. So, are you people
I
there
think we
with
have
pen and
done it.
paper? Are you people with there with pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, pairs should be made. Who will be the first pair? Who will be the first pair? I'll give them the chance. I'll give all of you the chance to choose your partners.
Who want to be my partner?
It's a risky question. It's really a risky question, ma'am.
Sir, Rajesh sir has muted his mic.
No, Prakash sir has muted.
after this,
Prakash sir
after listening my question.
listening.
Yes,
to-
sir. I will be the partner.
Okay, you will be Mrs. Veer's partner. Okay. Okay, first pair Prakash sir and Mrs. Veer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And second pair Second pair,
Sir, me.
Manya.
Yes, sir.
Whom do you choose your partner?
Sir, Mr. Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek, are you there in the room? Abhishek, are you there in the virtual room today?
Yes, he's there.
But he's not responding to me.
I think he don't want to be partner of Manya.
He's saying something, but his voice is not audible. But he said yes. Okay, Manya and Abhishek, second pair. Who is going to be the third pair? Only Rajnandani and three people are left. Rajesh sir, Rajnandani and Sanaya.
Rajesh sir, we can also join us.
Okay, means you people want to be a group. Prakash sir, Mrs. Veer and
Yes.
Rajesh sir. Okay, there is some noise of Azan on my side. Azan is over now. Listen to me. First of all, I am giving all of you 60 seconds to prepare a list of 6 questions. And everybody will ask all others the same questions and they will prepare their free time survey. They will make their own free time survey. Everybody will. Okay. There is some echoing from Prakash sir side.
My side, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I am joining with new device.
My voice is coming back to me again from your mic, sir. Okay, let me tell you one thing once more that everybody will be given 60 seconds. And what you have to do in 60 seconds? In 60 seconds, you have to prepare at least 6 questions. You can make more than 6 also. It's up to your intelligence. Okay? And one by one, everybody will be given chance to ask all other members of the club to ask those questions and write down their answers. And this way, the survey result will be brought out.
Okay.
Did you all people understand what I said?
Yes.
So your time starts now. 60 seconds for writing as many questions as you can, at least 6. Okay, you can take help from the lesson also to write the questions for the survey. I am just going to share the screen. You can now watch the screen, right?
Right, sir.
And the questions in the survey can be prepared on the basis of question number 7 written here in the form of table, activity and frequency. You can add one more column here in the table, name of the person. Okay? And you don't have to prepare the table, you will have to prepare the question. You will have to ask the question and the answer given by other people should be written in the form of a table, right, like it is written here in question number 7. So, did you understand what I said?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
then.
understand.
Okay. I hope everybody got it. So, now your time starts for 60 seconds. Start writing your questions, please.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is ready now. Okay. So, I am going to stop sharing the screen now. I have stopped sharing screen. Who will ask questions first?
Mrs. Veer.
Of course.
Yeah. Also.
Okay, Mrs. Veer, you have to ask the same question to everybody. Means once you ask questions, I hope you have prepared the table like that.
Yes, sir.
With 3 columns: activity, frequency and name.
Yes, sir.
And everybody has to prepare the table. In his or her turn of asking question, they will write the answer in the table. Okay?
So I will ask question from Prakash sir and Rajesh sir, na sir?
No, for all
That is our
you will ask question, you will ask everybody the same question and everybody will give the answer. In the same way, everybody else will ask all others the same question. Getting me?
You.
No, sir, I didn't get you, sir. What did you say?
Every person will ask questions to all other people in the club, in the room.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, you make a group, na? Group, sir.
No, that is cancelled now. The
Okay,
arrangement is
okay,
different.
okay.
The arrangement is different now. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Everybody will ask questions to all other people here.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
And the question pattern is same.
Question. You can ask some different questions. It's up to your mind. I did not say that you'll have to repeat the same question in the 7th. I just gave you the model or sample. You have to make a survey for free time activity. You can think some different free time activity also you can ask them.
Okay, okay, okay.
Do you need some more time to write the questions differently?
No, sir, I actually, my question is other than that table, sir. So that
That is
I
different.
understand
That is good, sir. That is good.
Yes.
That is much better. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is
Can I
everybody
start,
ready? I am very sorry to say, but these 4 people keep their mic always
Yes, sir.
muted. Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
They responded a little late, but Rajnandini did not even respond. I can't do anything. So
Is your BP normal, Rajnandini?
start speaking a little more, your BP will be normal.
Yes, sir. You should.
Yes. Okay, Mrs. Veer is going to ask question first. Mrs. Veer, ready with your questions
sir.
and with your table to write down the answers?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Okay.
My first question is for Abhishek.
Okay.
Yes.
How often do you go shopping, Abhishek?
Once a month.
And next one is for Manya.
Yes.
How often do you eat junk food?
Every day.
Oh my god.
She told the reality.
Mrs. Veer, I think you did not understand the pattern. You have to ask the same question to everybody. The same question to
But
everybody.
you told us that. you
Mrs.
told
Veer,
us
I
that
cancelled
it's up to
that.
us.
I cancelled that arrangement. I changed the
Okay.
arrangement. I think you did not understand. I said everybody will ask.
Sir, sometime before you were saying that you can change the question. It's up to you. That's
You
why I
can
changed the
change.
question.
You can
sir.
change the question from the table. You can't. You should not use the same question as given in the table of question number 7. That was my. I mean to say. That's what I mean to say.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now I got, sir.
Hmm. How will you make the survey, Mrs. Veer, if you ask different question to different people?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, Mrs. Veer. Do you need some more time?
No, sir. I
Okay,
don't
then.
need any time. Sir.
Okay, ma'am. Then start once again.
Yes, sir. Manya, how often do you go shopping?
Once a month.
And what about you, Mr. Prakash?
Once in a week, I go to shopping.
I go.
And
shopping.
Mr. Rajesh, sir,
I go shopping.
Sorry,
how often do you go shopping?
I hardly go. I hardly go for shopping. So it's not my duty.
I hardly go shopping.
Okay.
I hardly go shopping.
And Sanaya,
I hardly go
Yes,
for
sir.
shopping. Go to shopping, sir.
Go shopping.
go shop.
Go shopping. I was
So
I
I-
hardly go
I-
shopping. Yes.
How often do you go shopping?
I hardly go shopping.
Rajnandani, same question goes to you, darling.
I hardly go shopping.
Sorry?
I hardly go shopping.
So I didn't get her answer.
She is saying I hardly go shopping.
Okay. Okay. So Prakash sir, how often do you eat junk food?
I eat junk food twice in a week.
Rajesh sir, you, how often do you eat junk food?
Actually, I don't like junk food, but sometimes I give company to my children. On that day, I take junk food.
Okay.
Good.
Abhishek,
Yes.
how often do you eat junk food?
I hardly eat junk food.
Sanaya, you?
Once in a week.
Sanaya?
Yeah,
Sorry?
once in a week.
Okay. Rajnandani?
I hardly eat junk food.
Okay.
Mani, I have already given her answer.
Yeah, I noted. I have noted it.
Okay.
So, Mr. Abhishek, how often do you travel?
Travel to
Anywhere?
travel. Uh, I often travel to my friend's house. Go for buying anything.
Okay. And Rajesh, sir, you?
I travel daily to my college by my bike.
Mr. Prakash?
I travel every day to my office.
Manya?
Nowadays, I never travel.
Sanaya?
I hardly go anywhere.
Okay. And Rajnandani, you?
Your voice is not that clear, Rajnandani.
She left. Okay. Rajesh, sir, how often do you ride a bicycle?
Every day I go by college
Bicycle or bike, sir?
by bicycle.
Bicycle, sir.
Okay. Bicycle. Bicycle. It's very healthy.
And Mr. Prakash, you?
I, I am unable to remember when I ride bicycle.
I don't
Sorry?
remember. The natural sentence is, sir, I don't remember when I last rode bicycle.
I don't remember when I rode bicycle.
When I last rode bicycle.
Sorry.
You hardly ride a bicycle, no? Manya, you?
See, what is Hindi equivalent? मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि मैं पिछली बार कब साइकिल चलाया था. मुझे याद ही नहीं है. I don't remember. When I last rode V2 चलाया था past. I last rode bicycle.
Bicycle.
It last rode bicycle.
I don't remember. मुझे याद नहीं है. क्या नहीं याद है? When
When
I rode
when-
bicycle. मैंने कब बाइसिकल चलाया था? कब? पिछली बार. तो when I last rode bicycle.
Manya? Manya?
Yes, I don't know.
Be attentive in the
to,
live class.
um, I for the sentence.
Your voice is breaking very badly, Manya.
Sorry, sir. I have to leave this meeting, sir.
Okay,
I have a
okay, sir.
meeting
Okay, sir.
from
Okay,
it.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir.
No issue, sir. No issue, sir. We can understand. Sometimes it happens.
Manya, please give your answer.
Sir, I forget the English sentence, sir.
Which English
How
sentence?
How often do you ride a bicycle?
I don't know how to.
What is your Hindi sentence, Manya? What is your Hindi
नहीं
sentence?
आता
What is your Hindi
मुझे
sentence?
चलाना नहीं आता.
I don't know how to ride a bicycle.
Yes, how to ride a bicycle.
Sanaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Once in a
same
week.
question.
Once in a week.
One. Okay.
Where,
Abhishek, you?
I used to ride when I was in school.
Okay.
but not now.
Yes, but not now. Right now I have school.
Okay. Rajnandini, you?
I ride bicycle once in a week.
There is some problem on your side, Rajnandini. Your voice is not so clear and not so consistent.
Okay. Now, this question is first for Manya. Do you ever do cheating in your examination?
Obviously, yes.
Oh my God.
With great pride, she said, obviously, yes.
That's good.
She's honest, sir.
Every murderer and robber should commit crime and come forward and say honestly, and he should be respected for his dishonesty, right, Mrs. Veer? You mean to say that?
Then sir, what is the role of an advocate?
Rajesh sir is very much worried about his career now.
Yes, sir.
After this statement from Mrs. Veer. Anyways, very nice.
Sanaya,
Yes.
same question is for you, baby.
Yes, ma'am. I do cheating. Me down.
Oh my God. This is future
Mrs.
of our
Veer,
country.
Mrs. Veer, they are from Bihar.
Cheating is in their blood.
No. It's, you can't say like that
But sir, the fact is that
because
the
I
fact is
traveled,
that 10%
I
or
worked
20%
in-
students in Bihar are honest enough not to use unfair means in the examination. I'm not generalizing this thing, but this is a fact. We cannot deny this fact. We cannot just belie this fact, sir. And this is unfortunate truth.
I'm sorry to say, sir, other states persons are more cheater than Biharis.
Sir, it doesn't. It's
Because-
not. It's
because-
not a. It's
no.
not. It's not a thing to be compared.
Yeah.
If others are
Compared, yes,
corrupt,
yes,
it doesn't mean that our corruption is justified.
No, sir. I am not comparing with other, but I have worked in 7 states, sir.
I know. I
Seven
respect.
states.
I respect the experience you have, sir, of the different
Then I have
states.
a lot of experience. Sir.
Yes, I do agree. I do agree, and I respect. But I'm not concerned with the well-being and future of other states. I'm concerned with the state, with the future of the youth of Bihar. They are not going ahead means they are not going places. Most of them, because they are in habit of taking resort or taking help from unfair means in the examination.
Yes, sir.
I think if they stop doing so, they'll be much better than they are at the moment, because they have
Yes,
a lot
sir,
of
of
talent.
course.
The Biharis have a lot of
Exactly.
talent.
Exactly, sir. You can see me, sir.
Sir, I have seen you working very hard, and you have been very sincere student also. During your MBA, you said that you did it in one go.
Yes, sir. But no use of it, sir.
Because you
What
are
is
in
the use
Bihar,
of
sir.
a-
Because you are in Bihar, sir.
In Bihar, yes. I accept, sir. I
Okay.
accept, because
Go
I
to
am in
go
Bihar.
to Bangalore. Go to Maharashtra. You will be rewarded and awarded in both ways, in terms of growth of your career, in terms of money also, for your talent you have, sir,
Yes.
and for the hard work you are capable of doing. But because you are in Bihar and the environment has completely been contaminated and polluted with the help of, because of the corruption only, I think.
Corruption.
And-
There is no development actually, sir.
Yes, of course, there will not be any development if there is corruption, and people like you will have to suffer.
Yes, sir.
They'll never be praised, and they'll never be valued for the talent they have. That's what I meant to say when I say that Biharis are very much proud of their this habit of using unfair means in the examinations and doing parvis in the answer sheets of the examinations. Even guardians say with great pride कि अरे फलना सर के यहाँ तो कॉपी गया, हमको जानते 1 मिनट में हो जाएगा. With pride they say these things. But how dangerous this is for the future of the coming generation, they don't even know that.
Yes, sir.
So, Mrs. Veer, are your questions over?
No, sir.
Please, go ahead and ask us.
Sir, I left one point that I want to know from Sanaya. How often do you do cheating?
Should there be any frequency, ma'am, for that?
Yeah, she did cheating in every exam or some particular exam. so-
Those who are habituated will definitely use unfair means in every exam. The moment they get a chance, they'll not miss it.
Yeah, it's true. Right, sir. It's also right, sir. So I think I should move ahead, sir.
Yes, of course.
Abhishek. Yeah, Abhishek.
Yes, I done.
Oh my goodness.
Once I
think
did a big
Rajendra
corruption
ji
in the examination. I brought the question out of the principal's office before the examination, 2 days prior to the examination, before the examination. And I did
doesn't even say.
with the help of the peon of the school.
Oh my god.
I gave him some money.
Oh my
That time I was in 7th class only.
No.
But I was punished very severely by my father for that, very badly.
Okay.
He gave me physical punishment. He beat me
Oh.
black and blue. He beat me black and blue.
Like he badly
And he
Beat you,
complained
sir?
to the teacher also. The teacher beat me also in the school.
my god.
And the peon was suspended.
Oh.
I took out all the questions of all the classes before the examination.
Okay.
2 days before the examination in my 7th class, 7th standard.
And who told us, your father, sir, that you have done this?
I don't know, but fathers are the creatures who know everything. Without saying and asking. I have done a lot of naughtiness and what should I say, mischiefs in my childhood, and every time I was caught by my father, whether anybody caught me or not, but my father always caught me.
His father, sir.
Yeah.
Subha's father.
बाप होता है.
Yeah.
I would like to share one incident of my childhood.
Yeah, please, sir.
I am very much fond of malai. Malai, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Doodh ka malai, cream.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
I am still very much fond of that. Okay. So we were 8 children in the house, in the family, including my cousin. 9, in fact 9. Okay. And the malai was distributed equally among all the 9. So I got very little part of the malai that I did not like at all. I wanted to eat the whole of the malai. Okay, but it was not possible because the family was combined family and every child has to be given the equal share. So I also got very little part. So I thought of an idea.
What, sir?
You know what I did? The milk was kept in a big dekji. Dekji, you understand? Dekji.
Dekchi.
No.
Yeah, a big
Dekchi.
pot. Yeah, big pot.
Big pot
Big
where
pot.
milk has been stored.
Yes,
Milk is
Okay,
stored.
yes. 3 or 4 kilos of milk was kept in that dekchi. Okay, and there was a thick layer every day. There was a thick layer of malai on top of the milk, and I always felt greedy to eat that malai, but I never got any chance. Because if I had done that, I would have been beaten by my mom and my papa. Okay, so I did not dare to do so. What I did, you know, papita ka ped, papita ka patta.
Yes, yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the what should I say? Its tahni, or what should I say, twig is completely hollow inside. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
there used to be 3 or 4 papita ka ped beside my house. There is a small plot, still that plot is there. Okay, and that was ours. So I plucked one papita ka patta, removed the patta and took the dantal. It was just like a pipe or a straw. Okay, from the side of the malai, I put the papita ka dantal inside the milk and sucked all the milk into another pot. Okay, and threw the milk in the nali, in the drains outside of my house. All the 3-4
My
kilos of
God.
milk, and the whole layer of the whole thick layer of the malai sat on the bottom of the pot. Did you understand?
My God. Yes, sir.
And I took some sindoor
Hmm.
and made 5 tikas with sindoor and with kalik in front of the pot of the milk. And I kept some black cloth, some small piece of black cloth in front of the pot of the milk, and one broken blade there,
My God.
so that everybody may understand that there is some bhoot pisach type of activities going on in our house, and every child will, means no child will be given the malai and the doodh. And I did it 4 days continuously. And my mother used to believe in these things strongly, very firmly. So she called Panditji and some Ojha and started getting the treatment for the bhoot pisach. When my father saw the Pandit and Ojha, he asked my mother कि हुआ क्या है, क्यों इन सबको बुलाई हो, इस सबसे क्या होगा. Then my mother told him the whole story that for last 4 days this is happening with the milk pot. The milk is completely dried up and the thick layer of malai is just in the bottom. There is no milk, not even a single drop, and there are some 5 tikas of red sindoor and black kalik, along with some black piece of cloth and a broken blade. Then my father called my name directly.
Huh?
Arey, यहाँ, directly my name without asking anybody anything. And asked me कि, and he directly asked me क्यों किया ये सब. He did not ask me कि तुमने किया है क्या. No, he directly asked me क्यों किया ये सब. And I, without showing any tantrum, revealed the whole story because of fear only. Because of fear only.
My God.
I was beaten so badly that time in front of Pandit and Ojha. He said, देखो भूत हम उतारते हैं इसका, तुम लोग खड़ा रहो साइड में.
Oh my God. How dangerous you were, sir.
I was a big prankster. I was a big prankster in my childhood. So this used to happen.
Prakash sir is back.
Yes, he's back.
I'm back here.
So start the survey, please. Start making the survey. And
Okay.
these were my free
Rajnandani?
time activities when I was a child. These were the free time activities I used to do in my free time. Playing pranks on people. Playing pranks on people.
Topic is
Rajnandani,
Yes, ma'am.
do you ever do cheating?
No, I never did.
I was expecting the same from you. Rajesh sir, have you ever done cheating? Rajesh sir.
Rajesh sir.
Rajesh sir is busy.
No. I'm. I never. Actually speaking, ma'am, I never do cheating in my life.
Yes, yes.
I'm very honest man.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm very honest man.
I have never done any cheating. Sir has never done any
I
cheating.
never done any cheating.
I have never done.
okay.
I never done.
I
And
have
Prakash
never
sir,
done.
you?
I have
Sir,
never
I have
done.
hello.
Sanaya, there is some noise from your side, my dear. Yes,
Hello, Rajesh. I have a question.
I think.
What are you saying, Manya?
I have a question from Rajesh sir.
Okay. Please, Manya.
In examination hall, you forgot the and what can you?
Your voice is breaking very badly, Manya.
Break. Yes.
You are not audible to anybody.
Sir, in examination hall, you forgot any answer. So what can you do at that time?
No. Correct your answer. What can you do? Correct your question first of all. Correct the structure of your question, Manya. Think of the tense. Think of the tense. Use the correct auxiliary verb. Correct form of the main verb.
What do?
No, you are not still. You are still not audible. You are still not audible.
Actually, my internet is so today.
Yes, it is quite clear from your voice, breaking voice, that your internet is not good at all today.
Can I ask next question, sir?
Of course, please continue.
Okay. Rajesh sir, have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
ever stolen money from your father's pocket?
Obviously not.
No,
Never,
when he was
never.
child, sir, he
No,
he
no,
could
no.
do. No.
I never steal. Never stole
Yes.
any money from my father's pocket.
Yeah. Or from
And Manya,
anywhere.
you?
Because I have already pata tha sir. I got money from my father
Hmm.
on daily.
Yeah. Daily. Not on daily.
I got pocket money.
Huh.
I got pocket money daily from my father.
Hmm. Very good.
And Manya, you?
Never.
Sanaya.
Have you ever stolen money?
Ma'am.
Sorry? No? Abhishek, Rajnandani.
No, I never done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I would like to mention here, after my speech, nobody can accept it.
Yes, sir. But I dare to. I used to steal sweet things from my house, and once I stole
Hey,
25
it's
paisa.
good answer. It's good answer.
And I stole once 25 paise also, but I was caught.
By your father?
No, this time by my mother. My mother caught me. This case was not taken to my father. My mother herself solved it.
Yes.
I was not so gentle in my childhood. In my childhood, I was very naughty, out of control. Out of control.
Rajesh, sir, next question is, how often do you cook
Yes, ma'am.
food?
Almost daily. Almost daily. I cooked. I cook rice. I make tea. It is on daily basis.
Okay.
Oh.
You do these things daily, sir. Still.
Yes, I still yes.
Very
Yes, sir.
good.
Manya, you? I think her answer will be never.
No, yes. This question, the answer is yes. Will be yes. Should be yes.
No, but she will say never.
Yeah, she never does any household work, I think.
Yeah.
Because she is the youngest, first thing
Yes, sir.
in the family. And second
Yes.
thing,
Second thing, what, sir?
second thing, she is the most loved one in the family. Not only the youngest, most loved one. Her elder sister and her mother never lets her do anything.
How lucky she is.
Huh? Not doing any work is a sign of good luck, Mrs. Veer?
Sir, this is the way of showing love.
That don't let any work, don't let person do any work.
Yes, sir.
This is the means this is demonstration of love.
Yes.
I think this is a very what should I say?
That's the definition of love, sir.
But in the long time, sir, it spoils the personality to any man, any person.
Yes, the same thing I wanted to say, that this is like taking badala from somebody, taking revenge from somebody.
Sir, Manya is very young, sir. So
No,
if
you know,
he will-
ma'am, my sister started cooking when she was in 6th.
Yes, sir.
And my sister started, sir, when she was fourth.
So
4 year old. Sir.
are they any more bad today, in bad condition today? No,
No, but not in a good condition.
because
But sir,
of
it
cooking.
depends on family to family. Family to family. It depends on family to family.
Yes.
No.
So is the bad condition because of cooking?
No.
No, like
Cooking
she
is-
always.
Cooking is
sir,
an
he
art.
always
It's a
say-
skill, I think, and everybody must have this skill and art. I think so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
You know, I have never cooked anything. Means I had never cooked anything, but now I have learnt at least boiling rice and boiling some vegetables. I don't have that much sense of spices and all these things, okay, because I never learnt it. But sometimes the situation came in my life in a way where I had to buy the food from the market or I had to starve.
Yes, sir.
That time I repented of not knowing cooking. My son knows well. My son knows well.
It's good. It's good, sir.
He has
Necessity
learned.
of life. Sir.
He has learnt, and he learns. He takes interest in the kitchen.
Sir, my elder sister also don't know how to cook.
Oh, your elder sister don't know or doesn't know?
But you should know it. But you should know.
Doesn't.
Do not compare with your elder sister.
Yes, sir.
I
You're right.
will learn in future.
Future for what?
I am okay.
Sorry?
Cooking. Learn for cooking.
Yes, it's a good habit.
But not now, in future.
No problem. When you get time, then you should learn how to cook food for yourself and for others.
I think, sir, most of the girls and their parents think if the girls get involved in cooking, their studies will be disturbed. Is
Yes,
it so?
sir.
Is it
It's
so?
quite right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 100% you are right, sir.
But is it right that they will be
No,
their
no,
study?
no. Never, sir. It never affects anyone's studies.
Hmm. It never affects, right?
It never affects.
Rajnandini, you, how often do you cook?
I sometimes make coffee in the evening.
But you never cook food?
No.
Okay. My questions are done, sir.
Your questions are done and time is also over. The remaining members of the club will get a chance to make the survey tomorrow. And in the
Okay,
end
sir.
of the survey, everybody's result will be compared.
Okay, sir.
I think we should wrap it up now for today.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you everybody and good night Rajesh sir, Mrs. Veer, Rajnandini and Manya. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night,
Good night,
sir.
good night.
Good night,
Good night
everyone.
all of you. Good night all of you.